We're going to talk about the claim for reimbursement on your past expenses for the water pump failure. That gets you up to $1,000 of the total replacement cost of one failed electronic cooling pump and also damaged one failed cooling thermostat for many vehicles in here. So let's go ahead and dive right into this. So if you're like me, you most likely received this settlement letter in the mail yesterday. This is for a reimbursement of up to $1,000 in total for replacing one failed engine coolant pump and also damaged one failed engine coolant thermostat, which you have to show proof that one, you had it done at a BMW dealership or an Indy third party. Provide all your documentation, right? Receipts, the cost of everything, where you bought it from, all that stuff, like the nature of the repair in general, everything that you would have. The settlement for the vehicle is fewer than 7 years or 84,000 miles at the time of replacement. So with those two, up to $1,000 in reimbursement. Now flipping to the next page, so just your general information. I'll just keep it right here, so if you guys want to screenshot it, go to the next one, so that way you can read it at another time. You can do so. Models and model years. Another zoom out. And it just really goes into, the additional details of, why is it going on? Now, there's two ways to submit this. So if you guys fall into that bucket, unfortunately, with my car at $158,329, I'm actually on my fourth water pump, but mine is way past the 84,000 miles. So this won't apply to me. So this has multiple, BMW years in it. Hoping that'll help one of you guys out there. But this is the claim form that you would send in. Now, like I said, you could do this all online, and you don't have to wait for this to come in the mail for you. And here's the online website and toll-free number. So that way you guys can submit it from that perspective. Just your information, your VIN, right? Provide all your documentation, all your receipts, so that way you guys get the reimbursement. As much as these water pumps fail, like I said, at 158,000, I'm already on my fourth one. I'm sure I'll go on my fifth one here before you know it, but it kind of sucks for us DIYers, because if you guys have done it yourself just because of the cost to replace it, we're definitely out of luck with this. This doesn't apply to us, but here's some additional details. So you got to get it done by March 20th, 2021. Well, like I said, it's not going to apply to me with my car, but hopefully it helps out one of you guys out there, that you guys can get some reimbursement back. Let's say you did it DIY, you bought the part, because they do fail all too often. So we kind of, us DIYers, get hosed, because I'm sure a lot of you guys that have done the DIY on your water pump, before that 84,000 miles, you're technically kind of out of luck. Plenty of different models. Hopefully this video reaches all of you guys out there. Check out the website. Like I said, you don't have to have this in your possession. You can fill everything on that website, electriccoolingpumpsettlement.com. So that way you don't have to, wait for it in the mail. If you have questions, let's see here. The number is 866-459-3651. Call them with any questions and stuff like that. And that's it. Thanks again for stopping into the channel. Check out the other BMW 335i videos that you have here, DIY, stuff like that. I'm here to help you guys save some money, working on your BMW, of course. Check out the M5 videos, different informational videos that I have here on the channel. Big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I will check you on the next video here tomorrow.